we have the original Springfield Armory Saint AR pistol. The pistol comes with a muzzle blast diverter, a 7.5-inch barrel with a 1/7-inch twist. The 416R stainless steel barrel is melanite, treated to be harder and more accurate than chrome. Included a 130 round magazine and a soft AR pistol case with the Springfield Armory logo. Its overall length is 26.5 inches, under 6 pounds. The upper is forged Type 3 hard coat anodized 7075TX aluminum. The lower receiver is forged Type 3 hard coat anodized 7075T6 aluminum with Accutight tension system. The gas system is direct impingement, pistol length gas port with low profile pinned gas block. The trigger is a Springfield Armory proprietary nickel boron coated GI. The trigger card is a Bravo Company. The pistol grip is Bravo Company Mod 3. The handguard is M-Lock aluminum Springfield Armory patent pending free float with the Springfield Armory locking tabs and forward hand stop. Buttstock is SB Tactical SBXK forearm brace. Buffer assembly is carbine H heavy tungsten buffer. The receiver extension is a Springfield Armory with quick detachment swivel mount. Charging handle was replaced with a Tribe, an ambi, and added a mag pull, angled hand grip. Iron sights, both front and rear. Have a Truglo red and green dot scope. A Feyachi green dot laser. The only other modification to this was just adding a quick detach sling. This is the original again, and for those of you who have seen this on other people's YouTube posts, this thing is a fire breather. It is a boomer. It is a lot of fun to blink at the range, and I'm not sure if this has been told in other videos, but as you stand in behind this when somebody is shooting this, you can totally feel the pressure wave. So I guess as this muzzle forces all the debris to go forward, on the opposite side, the individuals get the pressure wave. So it's a lot of fun to shoot this thing. It's very accurate. It's very lightweight. And with the Truglo sight that I put on it, I forgot to add that it's also automatic. You just tap it and it'll light up on its own. So it's an awesome weapon to have. However, I'm not sure if it's something that you'd want to use for home protection. I mean, maybe if you live by yourself or with another person, but if you've got kids, I'm not certain that this is something that you would want. It is very, very loud. And like I said, there's a pressure wave on this. Most likely this is probably good for like a trunk gun or a truck gun or a vermin gun, something around your home maybe. It's definitely very loud, and I would think twice to use it indoors because your ears will be ringing And if, like I said, if there's other family members around, this will wake everyone up. But it would have the added effect of anybody who is in your house who's not supposed to be there, once they hear a round go off, they'll be running out of there ASAP. How would you use this weapon? Where would you stage it? Would you even use it at all for self-defense, for a home weapon, or something for your vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. How would you use this? Other than that, there's no complaints on this. Very low recoil. Again, very accurate, and tons of fun to plink at the range. Anyhow, that's all for me on this video. I will be posting more. In the meantime, stay well. Ciao, friends.